In this review, we're taking a closer look at the Apex Drive Pro on eBay, focusing on the features and performance that matter for everyday use. If you're considering this device, it's important to understand what you're actually getting and how it might fit into your routine. The Apex Drive Pro comes with adjustable settings, allowing you to explore different modes and find what feels most comfortable and effective for you. This flexibility is one of its key strengths, especially if you prefer a more personalized experience. Looking at the specific eBay listing, the product is described as new and unused. It's also offered by a seller with a strong positive feedback history across multiple transactions. That kind of seller rating can be a helpful signal when you're choosing between different listings, since it reflects reliability in areas like communication, shipping, and overall customer experience. In terms of performance, the device offers a range of settings that users can try at their own pace. Many buyers appreciate how easy it is to switch between modes, and the overall build feels solid enough for repeated use. Since this product falls under the health and wellness category, it's important to consider how it fits your personal preferences and comfort level. Not every device works the same way for everyone, and individual experiences can vary. So, before making a decision, take a moment to think about which features matter most to you and how you plan to use it. That way, you can choose with more confidence and avoid unnecessary disappointment. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more simple and honest reviews. And if you've tried this device yourself, you can share your experience in the comments. It may help others.